Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज अनुज राय. आई रीड इन क्लास फर्स्ट.
ओके अनुराग, आप क्या करने वाले हैं?
रीड.
ओके, नाउ रीड इट.
Little caterpillar chew alone, put down the leaf. It's time for home. Make your silk and hold on tight. My name is Niharika from class 1. My school name is Smart Indian Model School. हमारी करीमा मैम ने हमें रीडिंग करने के लिए दी थी, वो मैं करने जा रही हूँ. Little caterpillar chewing alone. Put down the leaves. It's time for home. Milk your silk and hold on tie. Tell world good morning, good night, good night. The is are many the weeks are long. Sleep there caterpillar and cat red real strong a day will come and it will I see a beautiful butterfly looking at me. Thank you everyone. Hello friends, I am Suvi Singh from class first.
सभी आज आपने क्या करने वाले हैं?
Reading. Little caterpillar swim alone along put down the last lips. It's time for make war silk and night hold on tight. Thank you. Little caterpillar, CHEW, chewing, OALONE,
Alone.
alone, put down, THE, the leaves, ITS, it's, TIME, time for, HOME, home, MAKE, make, your, SILK, silk, TAND, and HOLD, hold, on, TIGHT, that,
Tight.
tight, TELL, till,
Tell.
tell, THE, the whole, WORLD, all,
World.
world, 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 good night, thank you. My name is poem. Little caterpillar between and olive down the leaves. It's time of fall. Sing and hold on tight. Then the volley falls. Good night, the days are many. The long ship, the
जोर से बोलो.
caterpillar and get well strong. 8 days will come and wait. But well, I see a butterfly, beautiful butterfly, long it me.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडू फन क्लासेस. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.